don't know if you've ever heard of Bear Lake, but it is freaking gorgeous. My family and I got to stay in this cabin, which is right by the lake, and wow. The great room is huge, with tons of space to play games or just chill. The downstairs actually has a great room as well, including a ping pong table, lots of comfy sofas, and stocked with games. Upstairs, there's this gorgeous mural on the wall and tons of cute little beds. There's even a little hidey hole, which my cousins just loved playing in. I was hide-and-seek queen with this little lookout spot. The dining area and fully stocked kitchen bring in so much light, like gorgeous, cozy light. And if you want to eat or cook outside, there's that option available as well. One of my favorite things about this place, though, are the rooms. Each one of them is decorated with its own theme. They're so cute. This room is the one Ethan and I stayed in, and oh, it was so adorable. I mean, look at all this detail. This room is the fishing room, and this is the one that my mom and dad stayed in. And guys, look at all of the detailed decorations. Like, seriously, I'm obsessed. And the patriotic room. USA! USA! Even the bathrooms are like precious. This is the master. We all had a lot of fun in here. This one, as you can see, is Western theme, and the detailed decorations have my heart. Master bathroom. Big old closet, and dude, a laundry room. Outside is just as much fun as inside. We went sledding and snowboarding just minutes away from the cabin. I froze my booty off, but it was worth it. And I know I'm a nerd, but I could literally bawl looking at something this gorgeous. Anyways, we had the time of our lives in this freaking snow globe.